Okay, let's create a star bush. We need 6 balloons here. Different colors, that would be fine, because if you want a colorful star bush, no problem about that. In my case, I chose these colors, 2 colors. Okay, so just put it all together like this. All the ends, put it all together just like that. Just do the same thing here. All the 6 balloons, put it all together as one. Okay. Now, in this case, to create a star bush, you need to curve this. Just like that. On the other side as well. Okay, now curve this part. Curve this as well. Curve this one more time. That's it. So we created a star bush, but we're not done here. Create a loop here, just like this, 4 inches loop. All of them, all the balloons. Create all loops. Create a loop on each balloon, just like this. Create here. Create one more. And one more. Wrap this around. Lock it up. Okay. And we have here a star bush. Okay, that's it. As simple as that. It's like a spider balloon figures, but it has, of course, it's difference between the spiders, because this is used for design on walls or on the ceilings. So star bush. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.